This tutorial is going to upcycle magazine pages into really sweet different ornaments. So this is a really sweet snowman, and then today I'm going to show you how to make the star. Stay tuned to other tutorials to how to make all the other different types of things out of magazine pages. So to start, you're going to have to learn how to roll magazine pages. So this is 1/4 of a page of the magazine. That's about the right size. So this is 5 centimeters by the magazine page. You're going to start with the desired side on the bottom. So I want these beautiful greens. And you're going to take your whatever you're going to use as a rolling tool. This is the inside of a pen. You could use a skewer as well. You're going to start in one corner, wrap it around, and roll it. And then just twist. You want a nice even tension. Roll, 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 roll. And then go ahead and glue the one end. Like so, and then flatten it. So I've already made a stack of these. So to make the star, the inside of the star, I rolled 2, then this one's 1, and then this one's 1/2, and then I outlined it. So let me show you how to do that. So take whatever colors you like. So I like, it's a bit dark. I'm going to start with, I like this one. So make sure it's nice and flat. And you're going to start, there's always a thin end and a fatter end. So you're going to start on the thinner end. And you're going to begin. It's a little bit hard to get started, but you're just going to roll it as tight as you can between your fingers. So roll, roll, roll. You could add glue as you go. It's just not really necessary. It will hold just with the tension. And then, since I'm making the center of the star right now, I need to add another one. So whatever color you like. And then you're going to attach the thin end inside of this thicker end. So add a bit of glue. If it doesn't go in, sometimes they don't exactly go in the way you want them to. You can just glue it on top of each other. That's fine too. Just hold that for a second. And then continue rolling. Roll, roll, roll. Nice and tight. And then you're going to glue the end down. You can do this with hot glue as well. So this will be the middle part of the star. Okay, and then set that aside. Now you're going to have to make 5 with 1. So whatever color you like, starting on the thin end. And roll it as tight as you can. It gets easier after you've done a few. You kind of get used to manipulating it between your fingers like so. This would be a good time for you to like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the weekly tutorials that are always related to upcycling paper and book folding. And so here's my first of the ones. Let's see, I think I like this yellow. Here's my center end. get it started, then you're set. Sometimes I feel like it's easier if you don't look and you just kind of feel for it. Your fingers will get a little bit tired, to be honest. So a lot of finger strength goes into this. And I'll glue that end. So I'm going to continue making my ones. I need to make 3 more. Let me show you how to make the half meanwhile. So right now we have the middle. And then this will go here. This will go here. I need 3 more of those. And then I'm going to show you how to make the half ones right now. Now for the half ones, you're going to go ahead and take a whole one. And cut it in half. Besides that, nothing else changes. So once you have all your circles made, so 1 for the center, 5 for the ones, and then 5 for the halves. Now you're going to assemble it. So you're going to take the one in the middle, and then you're going to arrange the 5 around it evenly. And this is where you can like try to balance colors if you want. Like so. Make sure they're evenly spaced. Now when you glue them, make sure you glue them where the seam is so that you're hiding the seam at the same time as you're gluing it. Just hold that for a second. So find my seam. So once you've done all the prep work, it kind of goes together pretty quickly. And it's kind of the fun part because you can decide on the exactly how you want it. And then, oops. That's the only downfall to using hot glue. There's not really a whole lot of wiggle room once you've placed it. And then you're going to do your ones. So again, arrange them the way you'd like. Find your seam. And put it right on. And you already can start to see the star really forming. And then you can also add ribbon if you're going to be hanging this up. These make great Christmas ornaments. They make really fun greeting cards, whatever you want to do with these. So many different ideas. If you wouldn't mind commenting below on what you used yours for, I would love. It's really nice to inspire each other and share ideas. Okay. So the next step, once you have all of that, is the outline. Now the outline, we go a little bit further, so that's what's going to give us the nice tips that a star is going to have. And the way you do that is I do have a little shortcut. Is you're going to measure, these should all be approximately the same, so if you measure one of the arms of the star and then go a tiny bit further, and then accordion fold that, that should give you all of your arms. You probably will need to use 2, so you're going to go ahead and connect that to another one. See if that, yep, that goes inside. You don't have to do it this way. I just think it's a lot easier to go ahead and do this. Hold that for a second. So that's 1, 2, 3. Of course, this doesn't want to cooperate right now. There we go. Sometimes these are a little bit thicker than others, just because of the way we rolled them. And there we go. Okay. So then this is going to get glued right there. Like so. And then that arm is going to go right here. So go ahead and place our glue. See how when it's already folded the way we did it, it makes it a lot easier to work with. Glue that right on that side. Honestly, this is probably the hardest part of it. It's this finishing part, just getting it all lined up correctly. As you can see, the accordion fold that we did really did do the trick. I tried it before without doing that, and it's just really hard to manipulate everything just right. Goes here. Coming down. Hold that for a second. And then this will be our final arm of our star. Then you can just, oops, straighten everything the way you want. Right here, and there you have it. So notice just with the different colors, you really get a different look. And then you can go ahead and just add your ribbon right there. Once you have everything glued the way you like it, if you want, you could add some ribbon, or I like twine for this just because this is so rustic looking. And then I just tie that. Go ahead and tie that like so with a square knot. You could add some beads if you'd like. If not, just tie it off. And twine likes to stay in place, so that's a nice thing about working with it. And there you go. Happy folding.